To change home screen wallpaper on iPhone 16e, you have to start by opening settings, and right now you'll have to keep scrolling for wallpaper. Right now you can pick any of your wallpaper preset. You can also create the new one. Let's say that I would like to change it here. So you have to first select your home screen, and now instead of pair, you have to select color, gradient, or photo. And right now you can just click plus one more time, and here you can also click on the left bottom corner and you can go inside all of those photos and things that you can find on your phone. So if I want to change it, for example, for any other photo, I have to just tap on it. Here additionally I can add some different styles if I want, and I have to click done and then click done again, and take a look, my wallpaper has changed, and I will also get the default lock screen, the other default lock screen wallpaper.